Hello, everybody. That one wheel actually went on a ride this weekend. A couple of my kids wanted to go for a one wheel ride, and so I took it down, put it back up, and wipe off all the marks that it made when I was putting it back up. It's kind of hard to get off. It was supposed to just be, no, it's just display, but they really wanted to ride the pint, and I don't know, I'm a dad. I'm gonna make it work. So anyway, today we are going to be working on some more open source related stuff, really hoping that we can get the image optimization stuff done in the Epic Stack, and then I can announce that officially. And yeah, but I've got a couple other like little things here and there. And I just realized I need to check something really quick so before I share my screen, because this is not something that I think these people would want you to see their DMs and stuff. So one second. Okay, that takes care of that. And then this one, I had a little sound in my pocket. What was that? I'm gonna charge that. Also, my watch is low. It's that is probably, I love the Apple Watch. Just about everything about the Apple Watch is great, except that it doesn't have quite the battery that other watches I've have had. Just give me 1 second. Okay, and okay, that takes care of that. Great, so now I will share my camera and I will play music. And I have a chat box now. So if you enter a chat, it will show up down here in the corner or below right here. And yeah, so feel free to be the first to send a chat, and we'll see if this thing works at all and if I like it. See, now I've got like all this space right above my head that I'm not sure, like all that, I don't know what to do with that. Maybe maybe I should put the chat right there, and then down here is where I put like what I'm working on or something. I don't know. Not sure I care enough. Hey, there it is. Why is it all the way over there? Is it centered? I don't want it to be centered. That doesn't make sense. Push it off to the left. Here, let me see if I can. I do not know how to adjust that. Huh, weird. Okay, well, I guess we'll put it sort of in the center. Yeah, what am I working on today? Good question. So yeah, it's just open source stuff, and I'll work on it until I'm done streaming, really. There's never ending series of things that I need to work on. I'm kind of waiting on React Router to get React Server components so I can start working on new workshop material, because I don't want to build, like, that's my next thing is workshops around React Router, and I'm going to be doing RSCs for a lot of that, or I at least need to see like what parts are going to be RSCs and what aren't, and there's just a lot to it. So yeah, sweet. So somebody sent this in the Discord, just asking for feedback and general stuff, because it's a new project, or their first project. So I just thought, oh, try catch it can get messy. I agree. So let's see what this is all about. So here's yeah, instead of throwing an error, return an arrogant object to represent the error. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't actually throw. Interesting. Interesting. Huh. So the probably the I just wonder what this does for the types of this function. If I were to type this function, I would have to say, or it can return an arrogant. So this effectively is saying we're going to get rid of a feature of the language. There's this arrogantly that will wrap that function, so that's useful if it's not your own function or something. But see, I don't want to have to, I don't know, seems like a couple extra steps to just avoid a language feature. Yeah, interesting. I'm not into it, but I think it's cool that you shared it, and yeah, good luck on it. Yeah, just looked at this on my live stream, and I'll put a link there. Yeah, interesting. It's not for me, but that doesn't mean it's not good. So that's good for you. Awesome. Okay, let's see here. What am I doing? Looking for that. Okay, and my email, which has links to everything that I need to work on. And the biggest one right now is OpenImage, image optimization. Very excited about this. It's gonna be super cool. Okay, so let's come up here. I might pull it down locally. I am gonna pull it down locally. Epic stack and get PR checkout number, that one. And then let's run the dev server, localhost, there we are. The real thing I want to see is what does the, strategy GitHub not found. Ooh, that's not good. Oh, I bet I know what's going on. Oh, I don't want to open that on stream. Hold on a second. Let me do this really quick. I shouldn't have anything private in there anyway, but I think I do. Yeah, let's get rid of those things. I'm just going to copy the .env example on top of my .env because it was missing a couple of environment variables that I added recently. And now I can share my screen again. So there we go. All this is fake stuff. Yeah, okay, good. Let's try this again. Okay, log in. There we go. Now we're good. Lock in, all that stuff's happening. So my question was, what is this? We have a source. Oh, that's what that sound is. You all are chatting. Hold on. Can you not hear me? Oh, there it is. Okay, my microphone's just down here. Can I reorder these? There we go. Okay, that's better. Wait, what? No. There we go. I want to put my microphone on top so I can see it happening. Yeah, very good. What, it's just online now? Glad I'm not asleep now. Oh, yeah, I am online right now. I guess I'm not sure what you're asking. Okay. Cool. So, yeah, my question was, what does the URL look like? And so it's resources, images, user image, or user ID. Oh, that's source set that I grabbed. I want. Here's what I want. That's what I want. What does this URL look like? Yeah, it looks great. I like that. Okay, so how did we accomplish this? URL. Yoink. Come over here to resources image. Yep. There it is. What the heck is this? Comments. Is this from the PR? Oh, how interesting. That's new. Oh, okay, yeah. Yep, I looked at it and it looks cool. Not my jam, but I think if you like it, then that's great. What the heck is this? No. Hold on. What? No way. This is Codium used to have to do this. I hate this so much. Oh, I'm looking at this is probably GitHub. Oh, that's coming from GitHub because I can add a comment. Oh, huh. That's actually kind of interesting. Okay, I'm happy with this. This is fine. We'll get out of here pretty soon anyway. Man, that bothers me a lot though. I don't like that at all. And I need to update cursor again. Man, they are just shipping and it's kind of annoying if I'm being honest. Okay, so handle user, handle note. I really would like to avoid those. Bucket image ID. Content disposition inline. Okay, I'm kind of confused why this is necessary. So here's what I want to do. And in fact, let's see if we can get Cursor to do it for us. I want to eliminate the user image ID and note image ID params from the images resource loader and instead have a object key param that can be used. To be able to do this though, we need to resolve all note and user profile images and pass those object keys instead of just using the ID for those entities. So wherever we're going to display the image for that thing, we need to resolve the note image and the user image for that entity so that we can get that object key and then pass that into our image component. Can you please help me do that? Good luck. This one's going to be a big one. So we'll see. So while that's happening, I have a quick question. On this chat widget thing, is the font size big enough for you to make sense of any of this stuff? That is my question. And in fact, I don't think that it is. So I'm going to increase the font size a little bit. And I'm also going to shrink the height to 200. Close, and then there we go. So yeah, let me know if the chat font size is big enough and all that. The future of the Epic Stack when Remix v2 gets released. Well, so by Remix v2, I think you mean like the next version of Remix, because Remix v2 is out right now. It's Remix or React Router v7 is the latest of everything. And so when the new version of Remix comes out, the Epic Stack will just use that. That's my current thinking. So, okay, cool. So we just have the object key. Oh, this is interesting. So we just say, oh, if there's an object key, we're going to do something very specific here. If there's not, then we do something else. Interesting. Kind of figured we'd combine those. I'm gonna give that feedback here once it's decided it's done. Sarthik says it's big enough. Thank you. Andre, hey, what's up, Andre? It's good to see you. Yeah, I'm just making some adjustments here. I'm going to see if we can rework it so that we don't have to encode the user image and note image stuff in here, but this is just like, it just takes an object key, or it's something that you have statically in the code base. So yeah, this thing has just been churning. I knew this was going to be a big one, so we'll see what it does about all that. It's kind of interesting. It just keeps going. And I like, we've got images on a bunch of different pages, so we have to update the loaders to resolve the object key for the images and different things like that. So I'm not terribly surprised that this is taking some time, but I think that this will be faster than me just doing it myself. But yeah, what's really nice about this is that as people evolve the code base and everything for their own use cases, they probably won't ever have to touch this. They always just like, okay, I'm adding a new thing that can have an image. We'll have an image model for that thing, which will have my object key, and then I just use the resource for that. And I think that will work nicely. So another interesting thing, I've got this beautiful view of the mountains, and I just got in the mail today that the city is doing like a hearing or whatever for putting a cell tower just like right, not in front of me, like there's a park over here and they want to do it in the corner of that park, and it will be pretty big. It'll be like 80 feet, like 24 meters tall, and I don't like that. I flew my drone over there to see like, okay, where would that be? But I couldn't see my drone because it's so small. it's kind of far away. So it's not gonna like stand above the mountains or anything, but I can see that power line is like half that, like 20 feet, maybe 30. So it'll be even higher than what the power line is. And it'll stick out like a sore thumb, and it just looked so big. But yeah, anyway, I don't want to be like, not in my backyard, but still, if there was a way that we could get the cell tower that they need without interrupting anybody's view, then that would be great, but that's probably impossible. Content disposition was needed for the user down. Oh, interesting. Huh, yeah, I had to learn more about that. Yeah, interesting. Okay, here we go. So first thing I'm going to say is, why are we creating two instances of, what is it, the get image, of the get image response function call? Could we not just combine those and do the if statement inside of the get image source? Because it looks exactly the same other than the contents of that function. So I think I would prefer to have the if statements inside of there. That's inside of, there we go. There's probably some other typos in there, but I think it'll probably figure it out. Yes, you're absolutely right. Doodaloo. Cursor is insane. It is so cool. I really think it's cool. Yep, that is much simpler. Thank you. Accept file, and look, we don't need that type anymore. Really happy about that. Okay, on to the next. What font is this? It's called Dank Mono, and it's great. Okay, so next is here. Okay, so we've got, yeah, get user image source, that or that. Okay, I'm confused. Oh, okay, this is a ternary that we're split in half. So if there is an object key, then it's going to be this. Otherwise, it'll be that. Yep, that looks very good to me. Trying to see where this was used. Where was get source args? Whoops. Get source args. Oh, That's a new function. I remember seeing it, but I kind of forgot that it was there. Okay. Where's get image source used in the root? Oh, got it. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Starts with the optimizer endpoint. Otherwise, it's the default. Okay. Just trying to... understand why this function needs to exist. Why is this not built in to OpenImage? We must be doing something special. Oh, it's because I want to be able to add my own query params. So this, yeah, that's what it is. So that we can add our own query params. I feel like you could probably have that in the default, Andre, right? Like if it has query params, like just put this in the default. I might be misunderstanding something, but I guess I'll add this as a comment. Any reason this isn't just the default behavior? I guess I'll start a review, add a comment. I'm gonna add a comment because we're kind of like doing some pretty crazy stuff right now. Other than that, I am accepting this file. Next, let's go to download user data. That'll be easier. User image source, note image source, and we are selecting the object key for those images, and that's why that works. Beautiful. Yeah, okay, that is cool. Whoops, what did I just do? Oh no, what did I do? What did I do? Oh shoot. Okay, I think I went into chat. Oh geez. Accept file. I'm getting like 2 of the sound effects, and I'm not sure why. So somebody just asked what I'm working on. The Epic Stack. I probably should have like a little thing that says what I'm working on because people keep asking, and there's a reason, because it's people tune in at random times. If I tuned into a live stream, I think I'd probably just scrub back. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But that's what I would recommend. Scrub back. And then you'll be able to watch the whole thing. Okay, accept file. That looks good. That's exactly what I was expecting. I would have to do myself. So you just add the object key to any query for the image. Yep. And in fact, I don't think that we need the image ID for these. When we switch from using the image ID to using the object key, I think we can remove the ID from the select for those database calls with Prisma. You're absolutely right. Oh my gosh, I need to train or prompt the AI to say, please don't say you're absolutely right. It's super annoying. We don't need to say that all the time. Let's update the profile photo route. Yeah, see, this is all the stuff I was gonna have to do myself and search around to find these. And maybe that would have been faster, but I don't know. I want to get really good at using these tools, and how do you do that without like using the tools? So I'm just waiting for this one to get updated. We're looking at the notes TSX. Yeah, download user data. That was another one. I think actually this one, that's going to be included in the download, and having the image ID makes sense being in the download. So that's an exception, but yeah, this one looks good. Yep, change to that. Looks great. Reformatting, I guess. On to the next. Note editor. Thank you, thank you. Object key. Oh. Not sure. This is in the note editor. I don't think we want it in there. Image chooser. Oh. Yeah. So if there's an initial value, for the ID and the object key. Then there's an existing image, and let's display that one. Otherwise, we'll display null. That's for our preview image. We'll initialize that to null. I think we could probably do away with that. Yeah. I got another one of those sounds that was like somebody chatted, but then and is that not the sound? Are you hearing that little pling? I heard it, but then I didn't see anything. Huh. Okay, there's the ID. It's hidden. So we do need the ID, but we don't need the image key. Yeah, so get rid of it from here. Oh, but it needs it. Oh, let's see. Yeah, so we're gonna get this not from the fields anymore. Where's my loader for this guy? It's not in here. Here we go. We're gonna accept this. And actually, we're gonna reject that. We need to keep that one. And then we get our note images as an array of those images. Yeah, this is kind of a funny images, image list, image chooser. We're just passing the image as the meta. And so that's like, okay, well, why don't you just include the object key in here? Yeah, okay, let's just do that. It's a lot easier. They're not going to provide that value, and that's fine. Man, I hate that. We don't need to pass the object key, but we have to if we do it this way. So yeah, we're not going to do it this way. So we should not have to do that. So we come down here to our image chooser, and we're just going to say object key. Why is that not image dot? Okay. Yeah, because that's coming from the image. Oh, what the heck? Where'd that console log come from? We don't need that. Yeah, images at index or at image dot index. Is there or index? We're gonna rename this. This is gonna be image meta. I keep getting that pling sound, and then I'm not seeing any chats, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's not reload, or if I refresh chat, something will happen. Nope. Now I just lost all the chat. Okay. Image, note images at index. There we go. Object key. There we go. And then here we're going to take that object key. There we go. Beautiful. Now we don't send unnecessary data, which I think is good. Yeah, we're good. I feel a lot better about that. Okay, on to the next. Tap to jump. What are we jumping to? Yeah, we're good. Yep, okay, super. Next. We want to add object key for the note editor. I don't think we need this here. Yeah. And we don't need to change this. This is fine as it was. Okay, thank you. On to the next, user dropdown. Yeah, sure, reformat that for me. Yeah, thanks. And pass the object key. Beautiful. And accept. Oh, you know what? I have, nope, never mind. I don't know. Image object key. This is in the user search results. Oh, okay. So we're gonna update the query. Oh my gosh, I just realized we're still using query raw rather than the type SQL stuff. We should probably update this to do type SQL. But anyway, what? No, this is not necessary. That's fine. We don't need data. Where's data? Whoop, undo. Ah! Oh, because the status 400. Okay, that's fine. I might have to jump out here really quick for a conversation with somebody who's finishing stuff. Man, you finish a house and then you don't. You spend the next months finishing the house actually. It's been fine. It really has. It's not been a big deal. First world problem for sure. I'm really grateful. Yep, that looks good. If it has an image. Yeah, okay, that works. Okay. We're gonna keep these IDs just because. And here we're loading for the note. We don't need the image ID when we do that. We could have kept it for the key, but the object key should be unique as well. So that's fine. And really, is it that bad if the key is duplicated? It's not great, but it's not bad. It's fine. So, okay. Can somebody send a chat really quick? I'm not seeing any updated chats, and like, it's fine. People don't always chat on my streams, but I'm hearing like the sound, but I'm not seeing the chats coming in. And so I'm a little bit like worried that I messed up something. Let's just run types. That will give me some pretty good confidence. Okay, that's interesting. We'll just add that there. That's fine. There's a chat. Thank you, Andre. I don't know why I'm... Yeah, there we go. And Bogdan. Thank you. That's working still. Okay. I don't really like doing changes like this to unrelated PRs, but we are so close that I think we're just gonna make that happen. Let's lint. I probably should have added a -- fix because I'll bet you we have some imports that are out of order or something. New cursor is out. Yeah, here we should update cursor right now. Cursor actually helped a lot with that. That was very helpful. It found all of the places. Come on, cursor. There we are. Beautiful. Welcome to cursor 46.3. Agent UI is changed. Ah, yeah, I saw somebody post about that, so that's exciting. Cool. UI refresh. That's exciting. Can now automatically search the web. Ooh, without requiring explicit web commands. Man, Cursor is so good. There are others, and they're great, I'm sure, but Cursor is phenomenal, and I love it. I love using it. Okay, cool. So let's, oh, look, and we've got, yeah, the UI all got updated. It's really cool. And they've got checkpoints. Wow. That is so interesting. All right. Let's run the dev server. Just make sure that like things actually do work. Doodaloo. Sweet. We've got our user images here. Yep. Neat. And I like that URL right there. I think that URL looks nice. And that's what I wanted. Yep. Happy with that. Okay. And no note exists. We shouldn't even see the edit button right there. There's a bug. It's not a high priority bug for me though, because, uh-oh, there's a bug right there. Not a high priority bug because people delete that anyway, so. Okay, we got a not found for that object key. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Let's do Prisma migrate reset. Delete everything. Redo everything, restart the server because it doesn't like migrations. We're going to be logged out. All the sessions were deleted. So log in with GitHub, and then if we go to our profile, edit. Oh, yeah, definitely expected that to work. The object key. Huh. Yeah, why? Huh. We'll have to... Oh, I'll bet you that is the ID of the user. So if we go to profile photo and we come down to get user image source. User image object key. Well, that's interesting. Oh, no, this is on the profile page. Whoops. Profile page. Profile index. Get user image source. Yep, there it is. Object key. And we got to dive into here. Yep, that's what we want. Object key. Ta-da, it works. And we go to edit. We can change it to a screenshot of this. Save. Boom. Totally works. All right. Good stuff. All right. Well, there we go. I think we're ready to go. So we're gonna commit this, push it, and let's see, actually, I'll just let the AI write that commit message. Why not? See if it does a good job. Yep, that's exactly what I did. Thank you very much. And then come over here, hit good old refresh, and then review. Andre, if you're still watching, can you give me the thumbs up if you're into that? Let's see, I did add a comment here. Okay, the image component source prop is used as a source query parameter. However, for our user and note images, we want custom behavior. In our case, to turn that. Oh, I see. I see. That makes sense. Okay. That makes sense. I think I will add a comment about that. All right, get image source. I should have said thank you also. Okay. We customize this so our source looks like this instead of this. images, and then I think what it would be, hold on, let's find out what it would be without this. Where'd my server go? I think it'll still work. No, it doesn't still work. But that's fine. Okay. Genericize this. Ooh, is it gonna know what I mean? Genericize? Yeah, that works. Accept. All right, so. No, that's not. Yeah, whatever. It's fine. I should have just done it myself. Yeah, I guess that's it. Bring that back. This get image source. Yep. Sonnet 3.7. Thinking. Ooh. What should I do? Should I try it? See, here's the thing. I'm kind of like, I guess I'm getting too old. This is just, people used to tell me, like, you eventually get too old for this stuff. I'm getting too old for this stuff. I don't want to be the one who's on the edge all the time. I just kind of want to let other people work things out themselves and then tell me what's good. So I'm fine not being on the bleeding edge of everything. Okay. Just checking something really quick. Yeah, okay. Very good. So I think I'm just gonna let it be until it's the default. We'll just let it do its thing. Okay. Resolve that. Did I? Yeah, I added the comment. Let's. Yeah. Doodaloo. No. Add comment to explaining things. Why did I even take any time writing that commit message? Because we're going to rebase in just a second, and it's not going to matter. We're going to squash and merge. Okay, yep, refreshing. There we go. We got our, really? Bad timing. So we got our user image object key. I gotta make sure the root, yeah, that's where we're selecting the user image stuff. Okay, very good. Okay, I need to understand this content disposition thing. Content disposition. I'm not sure we need this. Please. Please, yeah. Can you please explain what content disposition does here? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. I totally forgot to change the my default bitrate. So I'm going to bring it back down to, I think, 8,000 is what Twitch likes. And let me know if, one, if you're on YouTube, you see the quality drop, and if you're on Twitch, if you can actually see it. I don't, like, it looks like I can change it while I'm streaming somehow, but yeah, I'm not sure that that's going to work at all anyway. Yeah, so I don't think that I actually need this in this case. Let's see. Why would this only be necessary if we have an object key? Yeah. I'm kind of wondering, like, why is this not the default if we don't want things to be downloaded? Like, if I get rid of this, save, and then I come over here and we go to profile, open image, new tab, it's not going to download it here. I go to edit profile, and actually let's double check that the content disposition header is removed properly. Response headers. Yeah. Until recently, like a week and a half ago or so, this would have like a bunch of other headers on here for content security policy and stuff like that, and those are gone now. Thank you, contributors. Yeah, okay, so I'm not seeing the content disposition, so that change did take. So what Andre said was it's for when you download your data. Why does this want to open up in Firefox? Just giving Firefox forever to start, I guess. And it started and it did not open up my file. There we go, now it opens my file. Firefox, what the heck? I don't even want you here. Why did it take my open with default for JSON files? Okay, we gotta update that because that's ridiculous. We're gonna open it with cursor like a sane individual. Here we go. All right, so we've got our images / yada yada. So we get our object key URL. You click on that and it opens up. I don't know, I don't see why content disposition is necessary. It was needed when testing. Oh, check out now deleted code. The user note resources content disposition was used to not down the image on visit but display it in the browser. I edit it here. Oh, okay, I see. So you were just continuing what was there before. So you're blaming it on me. That's, I see. Throw me under the bus. No, I'm just kidding. I see. So it was the note image ID thing. If we look at content disposition. Maybe this was before I moved things over to Tigris. View code at this point. Yeah, there it is, right there. I did have it before. Why did I have it there before? So, like, I can still save it. Save, and it will say images. Hold on. Pop this open. Save this. Yes. It's interesting, it ends in a .png, but it saves as a JPEG. I'm guessing that is just the default if no format is provided or something. Twitch looks messed up. All right, let's find out. Twitch, TV, can't see odds. Yeah, this is still no dice on Twitch. Okay, I'll just have to remember when I start my next stream to drop the max frame rate. Actually, you know what? What's the max bit rate for Twitch? I think they have like a special bit rate if you're affiliate or something. Okay. See, I'm running at 8,000 right now, and I am not special. Oh, hold on. It's saying 40,000 still. If I switch it down to 6,000, does that actually change it? It does not. All right, so I'll just have to remember for next time, because some people like Twitch, and I'll bring it down to 6,000, I guess. Okay. Anyway, I think we're gonna get rid of this content disposition header. We just don't need it. I don't think we need it. Do you think that the content disposition header is necessary for images or for a route that is intended to serve image data like this one? Yeah, I didn't think so. So we could, that actually is a good point. Let's do that. Yeah. Add content disposition inline with file name being the object key if that exists. Yeah. Kind of wonder if we should make that work. For the rest of these. So before, Cursor actually split this up so we'd have get image response for those with the object key and then a separate get image response for the others. And now I'm starting to think that might sort of make sense. Because our miscellaneous utils here, we don't have a source. Yeah, that, So here's what we do if there's an object key, and here's what we do if there's a source. Okay, actually, let's do this. Where's my source? Yeah, let's grab that guy. Yeah, if source, yeah, do the same sort of thing. Yep, come on, there it is. Okay, cool. I think that will actually be better. So if I come over here, open this in a new tab, and I say I want to save that, then it will give me the file name, which is just like ridiculous, but at least it's not the same as all the others. It's interesting, I say the format is AVIF, and then I save it and it wants to save a PNG, but okay. Oh, the file name. Ooh, the file name is a PNG. Okay. It appears that sometimes the file name has an extension that is different from the format or the content type of the file. What can we do about that? I'm not sure that we can. Yeah, I think it's just going to remove it because we can't reliably give you a file name that matches the format. So if we just do that, and then we save it, hold on, try it again. There we go, hard refresh. Then at least it gives you the right file name, or the right extension anyway. So it's probably better. Andre, yeah, probably would be good to have it built in. And actually, since you know the format, then you should be able to have the right file name. The challenge is, or the right extension. The challenge is the file name. But I guess you know maybe you know the file name. You might be able to figure it out. If you want to have it built in, I would absolutely take it if it works. Okay, good. Well, this is fun. I'm very happy about all of this. We can put the source thing right back here. That works just fine. And I don't even know what I did. I think I removed the content disposition. Yeah. Okay, sync changes. Come back over here, finish reviewing this PR. Really happy to have those gone. I really like this. This is way better. Yeah, we're gonna come right back in here. In fact, I don't want to forget this. Used typed SQL instead of query raw. Not sure whether that's out of experimental yet, but we should definitely be using it anyway. So we'll look into that next, probably. Oh, I'm getting a phone call from my sister. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, just talking about family things. Not gonna say any more about that. All right. So I just realized like this is ridiculously big in the comment. I think I want to clean that up just a little bit. So I think to make these the same, we've got object key, and that goes all the way to .png. So we'll just do equals ... That's what equals is. And then the ampersand, encode properly, please. That's supposed to be some parent, yeah, that thing. Hold on. Oh yeah, yep. And then you have the equal sign. So it's like, it's a garbage URL. So this is definitely an improvement, but it is kind of a funny thing. Yeah, that's cool that we can customize that. Thank you, Andre. I'm not sure if you're still watching, but thank you for making that possible. Okay. Yep, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, okay, fine. Fix comment. Sometimes it is okay to have a really stupid commit message. What just happened? Okay, yep, resolve that guy. Sync changes. I don't know why this, there you go. Resolve. Click on that button and it should do things. All right. Coming back, we're almost there. And then we can write a release for this. And I've got something going on. Let me see what time that is at. Yeah, I have something in like 20 minutes. So let's get this released and all of that. Okay, this is looking good. Look it's very concise. Very happy with that. Thank you, Andre, again. Very cool. This is above the fold on the profile, so that's cool. Yep, we did all of that. Yep, I've reviewed a lot of this stuff already. Image source, scan and code. Here, yep, do. We got our image optimization decision docs and everything that explain all this. And I don't know why this formatted, but okay, sure. And that. All right. Thanks so much. This is way cool. Just out of curiosity, let's take a look at our test fixtures for the little time that I've spent just playing around with this. How interesting, yeah. So we got a bunch of versions of Kodi. I think that's rad. Could be useful to like occasionally delete all these. Like, cause every time you run the test, you're gonna get a bunch of these things. So like that could be an optimization we make one day, to like just clean up that directory occasionally. But yeah, we're not gonna worry about that right now. Let me just make sure. Okay, cool. Squash. Andre, if you want to make a video showing, like demonstrating the improvement before and after or something, then I think that would be way cool. Okay, let's go over to, you know what? Hold on. Yeah, okay, that's still a draft. So I think this is, I kind of fixed this, I think. Yeah, okay, I think we're good to just release this. Although I do kind of, let's just do this really quick. This will be really fast. Use type SQL. Let's find out, here first, let's switch back and pull and npm install. And then I want to see Prisma typed SQL. It is a preview feature still. Here, let's npm install Prisma. We got a couple Prisma packages, right? Prisma. Okay, yep. Prisma, client, instrumentation, and Prisma. Whoops. And then we got Prisma somewhere else here. Where's, yeah, Prisma client. At latest. And instrumentation. Not sure if I still need to install, or no, that they changed it. So now you do have to install that yourself, which is fine. Okay, cool. Now we're running on the latest of those things. Upgrade to latest. Prisma. Oh, by the way, I'll talk about it when we do the release. I did something on the weekend on the Epic Stack that was pretty neat. Okay, and now let's do this. Where's our search? No, we want users. Nope, users. It's in the routes. Yeah, this guy. Okay. I would like to switch from query raw to typed SQL, which is a preview feature in Prisma currently. Feel free to go out to the internet to figure out how that works and create all the necessary files so that we can have type-safe raw SQL without using Zod to parse the results. Okay. Just gonna let the computer do my work for me while I get a drink. Remember my preference. What is that supposed to mean? Oh, it's just asking me if it's good to search the web, and I guess remember my preference means go ahead and search the web whenever you want to. Don't wait for me to click that button. Search the web. Interesting. Fixing this, so we got our preview feature. Yep, accept that guy. Accept. Very good. Run that command. And we're gonna search users. Let's not use camel case or capital letters in our files. Let's use kebab case instead. Accept that. Thank you. Oh, you know what? Actually, I think you have to use kebab case file name. Must be a valid. Yeah, that's right. I cannot start. Okay. Actually, back it up. We have to use kebab case for that file. Uh-huh. Okay. And it's updating this, which it already kind of did. So, yep, we're all good there. Yeah, run Prisma generate. Can we run that? I thought you would ask me if you could do it. Oh, search user. Did I not accept something? All right. Okay, Now try that again. All right, we're gonna just, oh, sweet. Can I add that to my chat? Is that, did I miss that? Go to copy. Shruti, what's up? Right now I am moving from Query Raw to typed SQL because it is better. There we go. Delete that guy. Try this again. I don't want to use my brain for this. I just want you to get it right. Please update search users SQL. Rather than creating the new thing. Yeah, it's called object key, not object underscore. Why do you keep on working in this file? There we go. Why does this need to be image object key? All right, fine. I'm taking over. You're doing weird things. And you're giving all these spaces and stuff. I'm a little appalled, to be honest. Okay. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I think it's kind of in a weird spot, so let's just accept this. Get rid of this guy. Search users. I don't know why this query raw typed is. You know what's funny is I probably could have just done this. If we go to Epic Stack examples, typed. Oh, did I not make a typed SQL? Oh, I made it was on Epic Web tips. I made this, but I thought that I'd made
so we've
a
got our
repo for this.
parameters.
So it is. Yeah, then you do the colon like thing. Yeah, okay. So let's go over here to our SQL. Well, I've got a lot of things open right now. Holy smokes, I got many things open. Okay. Yoink. Just get rid of all these things. All right, and search SQL. Here we go. And it's not the at like, but colon like. And yeah, I like to uppercase my things. And it's param string. Man, you did a really bad job, cursor. $1 colon like. There we go. Yeah, okay. Uppercase SQL keywords. Because that's the way that I was raised, okay? Thank you. I don't know, I'm just a weirdo. Just a weirdo writing SQL. How likely are you to recommend Prisma? I don't know, I do it all the time. Provide additional feedback. You rock. Huh, that's fun, okay. So now we have this, and you are complaining because of that. Okay, very good. And we no longer have that, so that's cool. And now we can run the dev server. Actually, am I already running it? No, I'm not. Okay, localhost. Yeah, Shruti. Yes, exactly. I'm taking over makes me think of pilot switching from autopilot to manual. Yes, and I do that occasionally when I'm driving my car on autopilot. And I'm like, nope, I'm done with your nonsense. Boom. The search actually works. Beautiful. Okay, cool. Well, that was easy. Sort of, except Copilot or whatever, this cursor guy messed up a bunch of things, but it's fine. Yeah, so we just got rid of all that stuff and made it much better. You get like autocomplete and a bunch of things look a lot better with this. So it's beautiful. Very happy with this. Okay, we're gonna go over here, generate that commit message. Yep. Push those up. Okay, now we're gonna make the release, and I gotta hurry because I only have like 10 minutes before I'm expecting somebody to be here. Draft a new release. We're gonna create a new tag, 2025-02-24. And what should the title of the release be? Well, let's take a look at things compare from our last tag. More than 20. Can I look at those? Oh, nice. Expand. Where's the expand button? Isn't there? Oh, files changed. Here we go. Okay. So, oh wait, isn't there a generate release notes? Yeah, now we're talking. Okay. Here are the GitHub AI generated release notes. So we migrated, yeah, this one's huge. That's a big one. Tigris data storage, image optimization with open image, and there, yeah, remix, auth updates, and more. Oh, dang it. Okay, I gotta go. Maybe I won't have to be gone for a long time. Maybe I will. I'll be right back. Either way. Actually, I should probably just leave. See ya.